What are the biggest passport problems people have? Well, I've got some insider travel secrets of how you can avoid rookie passport mistakes when you're traveling overseas. Hi, I'm Larry Gelwicks, the Getaway Guru, and welcome to my travel channel. The purpose of the Getaway Guru is to help you see the world, travel more, and pay less. Now, if you're new to my travel channel, please remember the big three. Subscribe, turn on the notifications, and if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Here's my passport advice. Follow these 3 easy steps, and I promise you, you're going to save yourself a lot of trouble. Number 1, always make 3 copies of your passport. Now, the first copy is a simple photocopy. Color is preferred, but black and white will do. The second copy you take with your cell phone and simply store it in your gallery of photos. The third copy is taking that cell phone copy and emailing it to yourself or a close family member. Now, in the highly unlikely event that your passport is lost or stolen, you've got to get to an embassy or consulate to get it replaced. You can't travel, you can't leave the country wherever you are without a valid passport. If you have that photocopy, you can usually get a replacement in 1 or 2 days. But what if the photocopy, the handbag, the purse is also stolen? Well, then you go to your cell phone and you can simply print from your cell phone or show it to them. What if your cell phone is stolen? Well, there you have a saved copy that you've emailed to yourself or a family member. Number 2, always, always, always keep your passport locked in your hotel in-room safe or on a cruise ship on the safe inside your stateroom. You don't need your passport unless specifically instructed to take it. Now, sometimes when you're out, you may need a passport or identification to change money. Well, take the photocopy with you. That's what I do. I just keep it in my pocket, but my passport always remains safe. Now, the third suggestion is to check the entry validity requirements and the consecutive blank page requirements. Did you know that every country has different requirements for U.S. citizens to come into their country? Some countries only require that your passport be valid on the day you enter their country. Other countries may have 1, 2, even 4 months, even 6 months validity required after your return date. And some countries can require up to 4 consecutive blank pages in your passport. You want to check that and not be denied boarding as you're prepared to fly overseas. So, make 3 copies of your passport, always keep it locked up in your safe, and do check the validity for entry requirements. Now, the best place to do that is a website maintained by the U.S. State Department, travel.state.gov. There's a link in the descriptions below that'll take you right to the State Department website. When you get to the home page, click on International Travel. The subsequent or follow-up page, you'll see a blank type space where you simply enter the country that you're going to be visiting. Do this and you'll save yourself potentially, in the event of a lost or misplaced passport, all sorts of problems. You'll enjoy your vacation. Now remember, if you're new to my travel channel, please remember the big 3. Subscribe, turn on the notifications, and please give me a thumbs up. And for the best travel deals on the planet, give us a call at Columbus Travel, 800-373-3328, or online at columbusvacations.com. Stay healthy, stay safe, happy traveling.